Hi guys, for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa fish market. Guys, tingnan nyo, Dubai. Tingnan nyo ang dami ng pagkain dito sa Dubai. Prutas. So, mabaka kita guys ang video. Brother, how much this one?
One piece 2 dirham, 35 dirham.
One piece 2 dirham?
3
No,
piece 5 dirham.
no 1 dirham?
Now not come in 1 dirham. This season retail.
No? No.
Season na.
You know, in other place it's very cheap.
Another place where
1 dirham, you know, Almaya, Wilson, 1 dirham. How much this one? How much?
5 dirham.
5 dirham? Then you give it to me 1 dirham for sibuyas, okay? This one give to me 1 dirham, I will take this one.
This 1 dirham not coming, madam. Also,
Give no.
not
Okay.
season, madam. Not coming for.
Okay, never mind, no need. You give? Okay. So, 6 dirham all. Take this. Thank you,
1 dirham give you.
This
1
one.
dirham. 1 dirham give medium.
Okay.
Then 5 dirham.
Okay. Correct? So guys, bumili tayo ng malunggay 5 dirham and sibuyas 1 dirham. So, ganito guys, 80 dirham sa piso. Ito naman 1 dirham. Okay? Guys, so ina balaw, do hilamon bala na sa aton. Ay, lagi do. Thank you.
So, anna begalo yai taking.
Ay, sorry. Thank you. So, kalas. Alugbati.
One piece star general ke liye
Guys. Oh, diba? Oh. Kabakal kita sa India, guys. Nakapunta ko sa kilang kilo. Oh. Gabaha ang prutas. Hindi na sila man.